What's up, guys? We are back with another update. What is it like to daily drive a 700 horsepower car? So today we're just gonna be heading out to LA and linking up with some of our buddies. Gonna get a cruise in, maybe a couple road races, who knows? And we're pretty much on E, so we're gonna gas this thing up. It's about 60 bucks to fill it up, about 18 or so gallons. And this one tank will get us all the way to LA. That's about 274 to 300 miles. So we pretty much fit all we can fit in there. $58, 18 gallons. Let's hit the road, Jack. Just made it to California. We crossed the Nevada-California state line. Cruising. You see the temps. In a cam car and a supercharged car, you guys want to have I have a trans cooler in here and I have extra coolers. So that helps with my temperature gauges, so they stay pretty solid. My temperature gauge is really chill. I was driving out here last weekend. If you know anything about leaving from Vegas on a Sunday, you know if you leave after 7 a.m., it's a wrap. So I left at 10 a.m. and it was just so much traffic between Vegas and California state line, that 12 miles or whatever from Prim. It was so much traffic. It was 114 degrees. So that was the only time where the temperature gauge raised up a little bit. But other than that, it wasn't even a problem because I literally all you have to do is just gas it. That pretty much cools the car down because it thinks it's driving. So I gassed it, cooled it down, and when we got some open road, I pretty much just floored it. In traffic, oh my God, these cars are if it's too hot, 114 like it was, and you're just back-to-back traffic, no amount of gas, throttle, nothing like that, yeah, you might have some issues if you don't have your coolers and stuff right, and all your stuff filled up. Oh look, they got somebody pulled over there. I'm glad I seen that because I'm not trying to be the next one. Alrighty guys, we are just about to LA, and you know you're in LA when you got little racers on the side of you trying to race you and stuff. I'm not about to waste my gas on this little guy. But it's a cool gesture though. Thanks, buddy. Look, watch him go. Here we go, guys. Welcome to LA. Literally fucking 5 minutes away. Already getting pulled over. This is how my day started, guys. He said I was speeding in the HOV when I was going 63. Man. Come on, bro. Be serious. Man, they got me again, dog. That's crazy. Man, dog. It's funny, dude pulled all the way up on me right here. Yeah, man, I was pulling up on you to see if you had tint. First he pulled me over. He yeah, I pulled you over because you were kind of speeding in the HOV lane. Bro, I seen all them yellow cones and stuff. You can't tell me I was speeding. Come on, bro. And then literally after I tell him that, it's a guy flying by in the S2000, literally flying. I'm like, bro, are you kidding me? He's like, all right, bro, I won't get you for the speed. I'll get you for a tint ticket. I'm like, well, damn, that's better than nothing. So I'm cool with that because it's easy to take the tint off and put it right back on. But still, it's dude literally did the extras just to give me a ticket, some type of ticket. He wasn't about to let me go without a ticket. He said if it wasn't for him starting to write the ticket already, he would have left and just hopped on that other guy already. So, man, dude, it fucking sucks, but you know, we're here in LA. That's a cool, I guess, greeting. Another sign to not be speeding today. So let's get to where we're going and say fuck this shit and do our shit. Well, there's the most beautiful LA. Just pulled up to my buddy's house, got to LA and whatnot. We're about to get these rotors changed out. I actually have a set of slotted rotors, so we're gonna toss those on real quick and see if we can't get a car wash on this thing and go cruise a little bit, maybe by the beach or something. Pretty early. It's still pretty early out, so everybody's still sleeping. So for the most part, we're just gonna get our car all done up right. But you guys seen the Trailblazer last time. It is running now. It's doing what you needed to do. The SS, baby. You dig? Got another Camaro here. This is the one from Copart. This one's gonna be due for a paint job here any day now. And bam. Don't forget the vet. Just got the car about jacked up. Here goes the rotors we're throwing on it. Those are the back, and those are obviously the front. But this thing is gonna look so much better, dog. can't wait to see what it looks like. You see now it's like no slots. And if you look at bro's mom's car, you can see the slottage. So yeah, let's get that. Man, I looked up and you was done. I think them in the back right here.
It's 2 or 1?
Yeah, there's 2. I'll set it on top of that one. So now that we got pretty much everything off, I caught the cold start. Now that we got everything off, we're just gonna paint the calipers a fresh red. Have them things nice and shiny next to those bad boys. Feel me? You see it, man. Big trailblazers popping. Feel me? That thing give it like a whole update, man. That's crazy what a little paint and some new rotors could do. Alrighty guys, we just about got one of them all done up, painted and everything. And look at that. That thing looks 100% different, looks super crazy. My other buddy just pulled up, he just bought the new Charger. But man, I think he's over here spraying his daddy up. Like an easy code. Oh man, he pulled up with the shenanigans. The turbo 240. That motherfucker nice. Too. Yeah, that shit go. That shit go hard. That shit sound good. I know he gonna drift. Damn.
I did a bottom mount.
Oh yeah? So what, it's like right down here or something?
It's like under the...
Oh, okay. Oh, you can't eat on me. You gotta really look for it. Damn. What is... I can't even... Oh. Oh, okay. I see now. Damn. Yeah, that shit sound good as fuck, bro. Feel me? Everything in LA, man. Sunday. This is how we do it on Sunday. Look at all the money and stuff. Hey, this is a video shoot right here. It's so funny. People passing the block all day. They burning rubber and stuff.
I gotta do something, man.
I don't get it, man.
I gotta do it, man.
I see the flash card. I'm peg legging. It's one burnout mark. Peg legging.
They see me though, right? They see me though.
That's not it.
That's not it.
Not it. He peg legging. He peg legging. Some dude, we don't even know, dude. He started burning out at the corner. So we pretty much got everything tidied up except for the last one. The paint is drying, but if you just check this out, don't mind the car's hitting high. It's sitting on the jack. But if you just see this wheel, oh man, you hear it, the 4Gs with the slotted rotors and all that. This look clean, look like a whole new car now, dude. New rotors, new brakes, everything new. So it should be a cool little ride. We're just gonna finish this up, go get this thing washed, and we're gonna be out of here. So I'll catch you guys in a sec. Alrighty guys, change the locations here. About to get this thing all washed up. We got all 4 slotted rotors on, looking like a beast, stopping like a beast. Digging it, man. Let's get this thing all cleaned up. That's how you know it's daily driven. See all them little bugs on the front end. Alrighty guys, we got her all iced down. Let's link up with the boys now, man. Let's get on up out of here. Feel me, the bumblebee didn't pull it up, man. We blocking the whole street. Got traffic. Got the whole street blocked up. See it? It's slow, man. Next location. You feel me? Out here about to get their cars washed up and hit the road. We got whips, boy. Oh Man, we got
I
whips.
didn't know slow down because of the job.
We got whips. You didn't even get your phone, huh, B? Man, when I tell y'all we got so many whips out here, man, I forgot all about that Camaro. We got a Camaro over there. We got a Mustang over there. Charger. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. You feel me? This how we do LA Sundays, man. LA Sundays. Yes, sir. You see how the homies is pulling up thick. All the fours. Look at this shit, man. This shit don't even know it. Bro, I'm like, bro, you don't got a car, don't know who it is. I'm Come on,
that
bro.
way.
I see
What's
you.
up, man?
Be safe and do your shit.
Good luck.
All right.
All right, bro.
Back to back today, boy. This is Sunday for sure. Oh, hey, hold up. Your gas tank was down. You good? Nah, your gas tank was still open. I closed it for you. All right. Yeah, we out here though. Big whips, everything you want, every car. You feel me? Young. Man, we out here so cheap. LA Beach, man. Woo, we had a fun little time on the freeway while we had a chance. You know, LA got so much traffic out here, man. Feel me? Big whips, everything fast, and we sliding on everything though. Out here, we got whips, boy. Got a Charger, another Charger, red Gus. Got the 5.0 joint, another Charger, Trailblazer, Camaro. Can't take niggas nowhere but. This how you block traffic. Feel me? Out here, got whips after whips. Yes, sir. Out here in the canyons, boy. Six speed.
Can't they tell when the last time you reset your shit? I thought they could.
Time to hit the canyons, man. Hopefully nobody don't flip over, dog. Ooh, look at our lineup, though. We got a pretty sick lineup. I think go back pretty far, if you ask me. So yeah, guys, let me take you on a ride through our canyons, our Hollywood Hills, and stuff like that. Whoa, let's not get too crazy here on these mountains. here. Woo, we out here. Nice whip, boy. Walk over here, we can actually fall down the mountain. That's what I call a view worth driving for, dog. It looks so nice. See how we out here, everything's cleaned up. This is regular for us, just like every weekend. Every weekend. Alrighty guys, we made it back to the desert, man. That was about a good 650 plus miles, almost about 700 miles today on a cam and supercharged car. So you guys see it up front, no issues, no overheating, no nothing like that. Reliable as heck. All you gotta do is order the right stuff and you shouldn't have any issues with your bill. You guys also seen a typical Sunday in LA. You know, we got a lot of stuff done with the car, switched out the rotors and stuff. So now the car's looking a lot better, man. Linked up with a couple of my buddies, cruised around the city, cruised through the canyons, man. So I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if you haven't already, man. It helps me out a lot. Don't skip them ads. I appreciate that as well. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace out.